this is the new view channel. My name is Martin. Today I'll make a dish called sweet soy sauce flavored potato fried with pork. And this dish is Chinese name called Hong Shao Tudou. It's also very popular dish in China and served in most restaurants. And the main ingredient, we need a piece of pork. If you don't have pork, you can use a beef or other meat. You can replace it. And we need the scallion and the ginger. We just need probably 1 teaspoon of ginger and some probably 1 pound potatoes. Those are the main ingredients we use in this dish. Add some ginger. Just need 1 teaspoon of ginger. The ginger already washed. Ginger is ready, like this. We cut some scallion. When you cut vegetables and you marinate right, if the vegetables is cooked, so you usually don't worry about the cutting board or the knife. If you cut this used for salad or eat the raw, so you better wash your cutting board and your knife and make sure. So this is really very strict, so good for the healthy. We don't want people to catch some disease from the raw meat or something. So this is people need to be very careful and try to, if you don't wash it, try to separate cutting board. Some cutting board to cut the raw veggies because you will eat directly. If the veggie you will cook it, so you don't worry. But if you don't cook it, so in a manner you need to be very clear. Right now we cut up potatoes. The potato we keep the skin because the fresh potatoes from the plant farm. If the potato is not fresh, it's not as a fresh crop, don't look good. So you need to probably peel the skin. So just cut like this. Put it into the cold tap water. So soaking cold water, so water color won't change. So you cut probably this thing. It will be how it looks like. It's the potato, and we have to wash it, make the water clear. Wash the potato 3 times and make the water 3 times and soak the potato in the water again. You'll see the water is clear and the potato is clear. And just let the potato soak in the water until you use, then you drain. And this will make when we fry it, the potato will be more crunchy and won't stick to each other. That's the trick part, the tip of it. We cut the pork. So this pork we cut it not too thin, probably this part. Okay. Then what do we do next? We cut it. and we cut it to small pieces. Basically like a little cucumber, like a cube. This small, like this. 1 to 2 eggs. Plate, and for me to use this meat, we don't need to season it or to add anything to season it. Put it on the stove and a medium fire, and put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add probably three tablespoons of vegetable oil. We put a little ginger to it to see if the oil is ready. We put a ginger to it. And fry the ginger. And then add the pot to it. And fry it. Add 1 fennel to the, no, 1 anise, star anise to the fry. With the fat in the meat, mostly they come into the oil, and then no water in the oil. You can see the water in the oil. Then we drain the potato, add a potato into it. We add potato into it. Don't add the water, drain the potato. And we fry it. This is 13 spices. We add a pinch of 13 spices to the dish. If you don't have 13 spices, add 5 spices or just a little black pepper to it. Just fry it. Add a half teaspoon of half teaspoon of salt to it. We add the soy sauce. This kind of soy sauce, any kind of soy sauce, okay, this kind of soy sauce. You can add soy sauce, just 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Don't add too much. Now you can add the brown sugar or just the sugar to it, because my family is diabetic, so we will add the sugar. It's a kind of like a sugar substitute, or just to lower the sugar, so it's good for the diabetic people. So we just add one spoon. I think 1 spoon of the salt, the sugar. If you don't have a diabetic, you just add the brown sugar or just the sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar to it. Add a quarter cup of water to the pot. You put the lid on, cover it, and cook it. Probably cook it until the potato is soft, so you need to check it. Cook a little while and check it. Don't let the pot dry. Don't forget to open the lid to stir fry the potato. So we don't want the potato stick to the bottom of the pot, so don't forget to do it. And cover it, keep cooking. Now we open the lid and check the potato. Potato already become soft. Now we turn the fire to high and add the chopped scallion to it. Right. Now turn off the stove. So this dish is done.